Alright, so welcome to the page. It's a SmartDivert website. Or if you can't get it, you just type smartdivert.net, enter. It brings you to this page. When you get user, click on get started. So we have individual, personal use, or freelance managing their own goals. Organization for team, use organization. Just want to test the organization. So in this organization, we're just using, let us use the organization name might be, let's use SmartDivert. So which industry do you belong? We have several industries. You can put industries, others if it's not listed here. So let's use healthcare. The first name might be David. The last name might be John. So the work mail might be, let's use infotech. Let's phone number. So this is just generic. You can decide to do it as you want when you are doing the registration. So that's it. So you create a team. When you click on the create team, you get this. When you create a team, this is what you get. Then you go to your inbox, then you click on it to activate it. So you have to just wait for some minutes. If you can't get it, go to your spam mail. You get to this place, then you input your details. So this is it. So it tells you to put a code. This is your like a notification phase. You get those code in, you send to your mail and you get that. Start that code. So it takes you to this home page. You can see the brand name, you can see there, organization name. So the routing rules. This is the first step, routing rules. I've created the routing rules already. I can delete and let's create one together. So let's create the new rules. So you can read this route here. It said build conditional flow time window, VIP, emergency callers, escalation chains, and SMS follow-up. So this is just where you create your rules. When you create new rules, I think I've used my own. So let's edit this. I'll go back to this as a new rules. Now in the rules, this is what you get. The rules name, this call from bank clients, from bank's clients. So in this page, you describe it, calls from bank clients after 5 p.m. You are just trying to create the rules that any calls that comes after 5 p.m. it should be routed to social numbers. Exactly how this rules is being explained. Okay, so if the start time is it, you can start it exactly while you are starting when the call routing will be implemented. This is it. 5 past 5. That's after business. Mostly complete close by 5 p.m. So the call immediately activated. Call routing was applicated when they start calling this number after 5 p.m. Then it ends. You can put it at 2 a.m. That's okay, midnight. Then how it works. 0 is Monday, to 4, which is like the normal working days. And routing steps. Each steps ring once if nobody answers. So the team, this is very, very important. specific people, how the call will be routed. Now, this is external number. You can put external number. You can add numbers to it. Just to come out, where those calls will be routed to. You can put, I think, up to 6 numbers. It depends on your level of your subscription. So this is the external number. If you don't want a particular team setup that you want to do it, just want the call to be routed to those numbers. This is where you put it. But if you want, you have a team structure. Just put your team here, sales team. I mean, how the call will be ringed. It's like 20 seconds. It will be ringed. So if nobody picks at all, the main goal of SmartDivert is call must be answered. We don't want no reply from anywhere. Now, if nobody answers, it be handed over to AI assist. AI assist will talk, or you send a voice mail, or ends up with SMS, or play a message and ring up. That's it. This is the structured way the call will be answered. If no team member at all picked it. So this is how it works. So this is how what SmartDivert does. Make sure that no call is being made. So after you've done this, you save. Okay, it's telling me the time must be in hours and minutes. So let me use this. Oh, so that's been done. Now let's go to the team. I showed you the sales team. Due to the fact that I didn't do the optimum payment listing, I can create many team here. This way you create a team. You can create sales team, you can create IT support team, you can create several teams here, logistics team, how you want your team to be. Now, under that team, you have members. These are the members that will be under those teams. You can see you have reached your seat limit. Upgrade to add more members. These are the members that you add to the team. You've been assigned them to a particular team. You understand? Now, in destination, giving team members extra numbers. You can give them extra numbers. So you can give a team extra number to for them where those calls. If you want to make it out, okay, I want this phone number. This phone number is for you. Every calls that come from Mr. So person, very VIP customers, you should go to this particular phone number. You can route it to them. Even though they call the business line, it goes to you. That's how it works. Now you can put the phone number here. Label it, status available, busy. Yes, if call is busy, you can assign it to this place. If it's busy, it's not available. Yes, it's not assigned yet, so primary destination number for this thing. You can put it here. If your team have a specific number, so use it. Emergency. This is the premium. This is mostly this for emergency cases, police, you know, um, hospitals that have emergency case. They have a premium number where call will be routed to every team to assign it. Securities, those in the essential emergency team like the power sectors and telecom. You know. So that's how it's been done. So this is how SmartDivert will work. And the main goal is for you to make sure that you're able to retain customers and customers never loses any important clients because calls are being missed. So SmartDivert is bridging that gap, and I know with this sales is certainly going to go up because once people feel that yes, the they care for them and their business need is being taken care of, they will be rest assured. So SmartDivert is going to improve um, companies' productivity and sales team will be happy also because their work will also be reflected because every client they get is an assurance that they will be able to retain them. So this is what SmartDivert is all about.